Hi,
Hey!
who is Mathew Edmondson?
Ooh. Actor, singer, dancer, everything from theater, small screen to big screen. Nice.
What is your favorite time of the day?
Probably the morning. You know, a nice cup of coffee and the sunrise?
Yeah?
Nothing better than that.
Sounds really sweet. When is your most inspired?
Like every creative person, 3 a.m.
Night owl. What's your current favorite TV show?
Brooklyn Nine-Nine.
That a cop
Binging
show.
that on Netflix.
What's exciting thing in Canadian film right now?
The footprint that we're leaving in the film industry. Toronto's releasing some really good films,
Yeah?
so we're making a good impression.
What the best piece of advice you ever received?
Knowing yourself, your imperfections, and your perfections is a step towards happiness.
What one city you always dream of traveling or live in?
LA or New York? I've been there, but I would love to live there.
What opportunity you'd like to have if you're starting out in the film industry?
More networking opportunities.
If you could play one role, what would it be?
They're playing him a lot right now, but
Yep.
the Joker.
What one thing you had to learn the hard way?
Make sure you spend time on yourself and your overall wellness,
That's very important.
right?
So we're going to the rapid fire word association.
Okay, all right.
Ready?
Sounds good.
Glamorous,
Sparkles.
admire,
My mom.
impossible,
Juggling.
love,
Her.
old Hollywood.
Where I want to live.
Thank you, Matthew.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.